Hi, hello students. How are you all? I am very good. Okay. First of all, I would like to ask you something. Please answer me. Before we start the new concepts, let us revise what we already know about numbers. Okay. Can anyone tell me what numbers do we use in our daily life? Tell me one. Numbers do we use in our daily life? 1, 2, 100, 10, etc. Okay, in rupees also we use so many numbers. So, our topic is real numbers. First of all, you have an idea about the numbers. These are the part of number system. Real numbers are the part of number system. Today we will learn about a larger group called real numbers. Okay, this is real. Already you have an idea of numbers. Which numbers? Tell me. Rational numbers, irrational numbers, like that. Okay, the rational numbers and irrational numbers both are included in real number system. Okay, explain the types of real numbers. The real numbers are rational numbers plus irrational numbers. What are called as rational numbers? Numbers that can be written in the form of p by q. The numbers which are in the form of p by q, when q not equals to 0, those numbers are called as rational numbers. Okay, that means all integers are also rational numbers, because we can write the integers in the form of p by q. Okay, now we have to discuss about irrational numbers. Which are called as irrational numbers? Numbers that cannot be written in the form of p by q, where q not equals to 0. For example, root 3, root 3, root 2, root pi, root 5, root 7, etc. These numbers have non-terminating and non-repeating decimal expansion. Okay. So these numbers are called as irrational numbers. Now here is the example, the root 2 value. Root 2 value is equals to 1.414213, so on. So it cannot be stopped. So the number is repeated. The which digits are repeated. So this is called as irrational number. Okay. Now tell me another irrational number value. Do you know? Anyone know? Okay, no problem. There is some irrational numbers values are in your textbook. Okay, you have to observe it once. Now the number line is given here. Let you observe. This is the number line. 0 is midpoint. 1, 2, 3, so on. These are positive integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, these are negative integers. Okay. Every rational and irrational number has a place on the number line. Together they are called real numbers. So the rational number part and irrational number part both are equally sharing in the number line system. Okay. Now let us take an activity, classify the numbers. Here are some numbers and the type of numbers are also given here. Okay, have a look here children. 5, 7 by 8, 4 root 5, 0.333, so on, pi. Okay, now 5 is a rational number, because we can write 5 as 5 by 1, where 1 is not equals to 0. And 7 by 8 is rational number, because there is a decimal value of the 7 by 8 is comes out. So this is also a rational number. And 0.333, so on, this is also a rational number, because 0.333, so on, can be written in the form of p by q. Now you have to observe here root 5. Root 5 is an irrational number. Similarly, pi is also an irrational number. Do you know the pi value? Pi value equals to 3.14, so on. There are so many pi values are given by our mathematicians. We should take properly. Pi value is 22 by 7, that means 3.14 approximately. Okay. Now some questions are here. You have to answer those questions. What are all real numbers? All numbers that can be represented on the number line, those are called as real numbers. How many types of real numbers are here? there are two types of real numbers are given. Those are rational numbers and irrational numbers. Is root 9 is rational or irrational? Why? Tell me. Root 9 means 3 threes are. Okay. So root 9 value equals to 3. So this is a rational number. 3 can be written as 3 by 1. Okay. Now some key points are here to remember, children. Real numbers means rational numbers plus irrational numbers. Rational numbers can be written in the form of p by q where q not equals to 0. Irrational numbers cannot be written in the form of p by q. All real numbers are lie on the same number line. Okay. I think you should understand this topic very well. Children, now we understand real numbers and their types. Okay. In the next part, we will study the Euclid's division algorithm. Okay, children. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you all.